Hi there, this is Trifanas Papadopoulos. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to put to get multiple lookup values in one cell. Here we have three different examples. We're going to start with the first one. So we have a column named name and a second column named language. So whenever we choose one name here, let's say Alex, we get the corresponding languages from the second column. So for Alex, it's English and French. If we choose to John, then we get English and French. This is an easy way with this function text join to take all values from a column into a cell separated with a comma. So let's see the second example. Here we have SKU and we want to get the corresponding colors and sizes. So if we choose that 10,002, we get white and brown for 10,002, and if we choose 10,003, we get only blue and XXL. And the last example is this one, SKU, and we get the corresponding categories. So if we choose 10,001, we get brands, dot brands, and under brands it's Minerva. It's the name of the brand. Here I have the function if you want to use it for each cell. So for this cell, which is D7, you can see here the corresponding function. For G7, here is the corresponding function. For H7, here is the corresponding function. And for K7, here is the corresponding function. I hope you find this Excel file useful, and I hope to see you again in the next one.